There's been a full-on political showdown over the Sengal in Sansad, which is escalating now. More and more reactions are coming in. Remember the scepter that was installed in 2023 by Prime Minister Modi in the new Parliament building? It started with Samajwadi MP. Now the Congress leaders are supporting that statement and are asking that the Sengal needs to be removed. Now the Congress MP has raised the similar objection and saying that there's nothing wrong with what the Samajwadi Party MP has been demanding, who called it Raja Ka Danda, and that this sort of monarchist tradition cannot apply to a modern democracy. Meanwhile, you're looking at the latest visuals coming in of Prime Minister Modi heading toward the Parliament. Today is going to be a very important day, remember. In many ways, the official start, because while it is procedure and protocol, you're looking at the visuals of Prime Minister Modi's cavalcade entering into the new Parliament building, where President Murmu is set to give a speech. It's an address which will detail the priorities, the political vision of the new government, the NDA government, Modi 3.0. But we'll also likely expect, because there will be a debate on it, a huge showdown, and the opposition leaders will also be strategizing what their replies will be. But even before that has happened, how Sengal has become the centre of controversy is because as the President will make her way in just a short while toward the Parliament in full-on grandeur and tradition, the Sengal will be possibly leading that procession. And that will be inside the Parliament, to which Samajwadi Party, Congress is saying, but what's wrong with what the SPMP is demanding, which is the removal of the Sengal here on?
हमारे साथ कांग्रेस सांसद रेणुका चौधरी जी, मैम अभी ये मांग उठ रही है समाजवादी पार्टी के द्वारा मांग की गई कि सेंगोल स्थापित किया गया लोकसभा के अंदर, उसको हटा देना चाहिए। आपकी क्या राय है इसको?
देखिए, सबके वो अपनी मर्जी का सिंबल लगा दिए हैं, अपनी मर्जी का ये मनमानी करके ये कर रहे हैं, तो उनकी मांग में बुरा तो नहीं। उन्होंने जो पूछ रहे हैं, क्योंकि पार्लियामेंट हैज ऑलवेज बीन सेक्युलर, इंक्लूसिव, सबको साथ लेने की बात थी।
उनका ये कहना है कि ये लोकतंत्र का प्रतीक नहीं है।
अब है वो अपने अपने इंटरप्रिटेशंस बहुत वो अलग बात है, मगर एक रीजन का हम यहाँ दिखाएं और दूसरा नहीं, तो एक ठोस तो लगती है लोग।
राजतंत्र, राजदंड, इस तरह के शब्दों का इस्तेमाल सिंगल की उन्होंने किया है। आपकी क्या सोच है? नहीं, वो उनकी अपनी व्यक्तिगत अभिप्राय है, उसमें मैं दखल देना नहीं चाह रही। अगर मैं कह रही हूँ कि अगर आप प्रधानमंत्री जी ने परसों ही तो कहा था कि हम सबको साथ लेके चलेंगे, कहने की बात थी, मगर हुआ कुछ। आपको लगता है सिंगल हटना चाहिए?
नहीं, मैंने मेरी अभिप्राय किसने पूछा? मेरी व्यक्तिगत अभिप्राय
लेकिन हटने में बुरा नहीं आपको?
नहीं, बुरा भला भी नहीं, बुरा भी नहीं, जो भी नहीं, सबको अभिप्राय लेके करते तो पब्लिक का पार्लियामेंट बनती। अब तो एक आदमी का पार्लियामेंट।
अब ये जो मांग उठ रही है कि सेंगोल जो स्थापित है लोकसभा के अंदर, उसको हटा देना चाहिए, समाजवादी पार्टी के सांसदों ने लेटर तक लिखा है इस पर, आपकी क्या राय है?
देखिए, ये तमिल प्राइड से जुड़ा हुआ है और बहुत बड़ा सम्मान दिया गया कि जब संसद को पार्लियामेंट लगाया गया। और यहाँ तक संविधान की बात है, आज तक देश के इतिहास में एक ही पार्टी ने संविधान को अपमान किया, ध्वस्त किया, वो कांग्रेस पार्टी है। जब 1975 में इमरजेंसी लगा, हम लोगों के पार्टी के नेता नीतीश कुमार भी 2 साल जेल के काटे।
So these are some of the reactions. Other leaders seem to be playing with caution right now. Mosmi Singh is joining me. Mosmi, today in many ways will be the official start, President Murmu's address. But before that, Sengal politics has already erupted. Why do you think, and are we expecting a reaction from Congress party, but why do you think Sengal has become perhaps the showdown here?
So, Pooja, clearly when the new parliament building was inaugurated, Sengal became actually a symbol of how the Modi government was reinstalling the icons of the Indian culture and, celebrating the Indian culture and tradition. And the Modi government, in fact, flagged it as how there was a vibrant Viksit Bharat that was proud of its past as well as looking towards the future. So clearly, with the Samajwadi Party MP raking up this issue, somewhere on the other side, the opposition is trying to bring the spotlight to the constitution, saying that in the garb of all these new cultures and traditions, the constitution was kept aside and ignored. So clearly the Samajwadi Party MP has found some resonance and support in other MPs, but we'll have to wait and see what the official stand of the Congress party is going to be. Remember that the Congress and many other opposition parties boycotted the inauguration ceremony of the new parliament as well.
Are we expecting possibly, do you think, right away some reactions with Congress leaders? In fact, stay on with me. Akhilesh Yadav, Samajwadi Party chief is speaking.
इस बार शपथ लेते समय शायद वो भूल गए, उसी को याद दिलाने के लिए लगता है मेरे पार्टी के सांसद ने कुछ इस तरह का पत्र लिखा है।
तो आपकी क्या राय है इसमें?
नहीं, देखिए जो राय उस समय मेरी थी, मैंने ट्वीट किया था। आप मेरी राय आर्काइव से निकाल करके सब चैनलों पे चलाइए।
तो अब अभी रहना चाहिए, अभी रहना चाहिए।
मैंने क्या कहा, जब प्रधानमंत्री जी ही प्रणाम करना भूल गए तो इसका मतलब उनकी भी इच्छा कुछ और होगी।
Right, so Samajwadi Party leader already charging at the Prime Minister directly, Sengol, which was installed in the Parliament. You're looking at 2023's visual in the month of May, when Prime Minister Modi had put forth